All right. Now, you can head on over to our website to see the exact ingredients and print it out. But to the cheese, we're adding some cream cheese. We're adding some, like I said, some onion powder, garlic powder, granulated garlic. Perfect. Give it a good mix. We got a lot of flavor in there, right? All right. Now, let's prep these jalapeno peppers, right? And you've seen these before. These are good sized ones, and boy, they're good. They're kind of a medium heat, got a lot of taste. So we'll just split them down the middle, right? Simple enough. All right. These are poppers, and if you've never had a jalapeno popper before, you definitely got to check it out. But we're going to make some burgers. Now, we're going to carve out the seeds and some of the membrane on the inside. The membrane has most of the heat, right? And then once we do that, we'll take that cream cheese mix and jam it in there, just like that. That's good enough to eat already. Actually, you can, right? All right. So we'll move this along. You know how to do it now. Now, what we're going to do is wrap it with bacon. This is key to it. And just use a regular cut bacon, right? Just grab a stuffed popper there. Give it a good wrap. Oh, yeah. Nothing like jalapeno poppers. Perfect. Now, we're going to cook up these poppers. And here we're using kind of a standard grill, but we're grilling it indirect. We don't want to grill this directly over the hot coals because it'll just burn the bacon, right? So we'll do it indirect, like an oven. And of course, you can do this in an oven. All right? Perfect. We'll let them cook, and it won't take long. And through the miracle of time, the bacon is cooked, and that's what you want to do, fully cook the bacon. And we'll pull them off the grill. Now, of course, as you know, you jalapeno popper aficionados know those are ready to eat, right? All right. The jalapeno poppers are done. Now, we're going to make the burgers. And this is a simple way to do it. We want every burger to be perfect, so we'll just carve it up like that. So each chunk is approximately 1 pound. There you go. And we'll divide it into two. So we're going to make, 2, 4, 6, 8. You do the math. Half-pound burgers. Now, you make your burgers like you like, right? We're using our SBG for seasoning. We're hitting it with a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and that's how it's pronounced, Worcestershire, right? And give it a good mix. Form a patty. You get the picture, right? Flatten it out. There's nothing magic about this. And we'll make another patty. This is the hardest part. Mix it up. And we're going slow here because some of you are newbies. You want to see how to make a jalapeno popper burger, right? All right. 2 half-pound patties are made. And here we go. You're going to take 2 of your cooked jalapeno poppers, put them on top, and cover with another patty. These are stuffed burgers. And I'm telling you, you make these up for your family, friends, or whatever, and they're going to love it. You're talking a 1 pound plus burger right there, stuffed with the jalapeno poppers. Are you kidding me? Formed it pretty good on the sides. Keeps the cheese inside for the most part. Good enough. Now, just in case you fell asleep, we're going to make another one. Each one is a 1 pound burger with 2 patties, 2 half-pound patties. You're all mathematicians, right? SPG seasoning, Worcestershire sauce. Oh, yeah. And now, a couple of jalapeno poppers on the inside. This is burger science here. Look at that. Again. Oh, baby. Look at that cheese. You just form it up so as to try to keep most of the cheese on the inside. Some of it will leach out, of course, but no biggie. All right. Perfect. Another jalapeno burger is ready. All right. Again, that's how it's done. And you're going to want to make a bunch of these, right? Especially if you got a big game gone. Because you can eat one before the game, one during the game, and one after the game. You set it up the way you want. Hands like a surgeon. All right. So, in the miracle of time, we've got 4 jalapeno popper burger patties ready for the grill. All right. Now, this time, we're going to grill at very low heat. It'll be direct over the charcoal, but we're going to be less than 325 degrees Fahrenheit. We don't want to cook these fast. We want these burgers to form up, and this won't take long. Oh, they look good. Now, while we're waiting, we're going to chop up the onions. We're going to take these cherry peppers, and some of these have some real good heat in them. Now, this is optional. Use your favorite peppers. Add as much heat as you like. And we'll pull out some of the seeds. Of course, there's no capsaicin in the seeds. There's no heat in the seeds, only in the membrane. But you know that, right? So we'll just chop these up pretty fine. Good enough.
For color.
And we'll add them to the chopped onions. And then throw a tablespoon of butter, because we're going to fry this. All right? We're going to use it as a condiment. And that won't take long. You sweat it down and brown them up a little bit too. Just like that. All right. Through the miracle of time, these burgers are done. We've cooked them to about 150 degrees Fahrenheit, more or less. It's time to serve them up. Now, we've toasted up some buns. There's a little mayo on those buns. Look at that. This is gonna be good. And we'll take our pepper onion mix, which goes great on a jalapeno popper burger. But of course, you can set these up the way you want, like I said. Look at that. And we don't want any pissing and moaning about our rolls aren't big enough. They're the perfect size. Right? You want to see the actual burger, not what the big burger chains will give you. Right? And of course, we do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but we call this Pitmaster privilege. Good. Moist, tender, full of cheese, great flavor. It doesn't get any better than this. And of course, because you're asking, we're going to show you what it looks like inside. Lord have mercy. Perfect. So give us a shout out if you can. Head on over to our website for the recipes. Give us a thumbs up. Follow us. We appreciate your support. So the next time you're looking for a good recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.